Hey there, guys, I'm very sorry. Crying. I just want to share. I don't know if you guys know, Steve Cash he passed away. And I very loved his videos, and he was very, very cool, and I loved watching his videos. So, I just wanted to say thanks for everything, Steve Cash. I loved your Talk It Cat videos, and I just wanted to share, you guys. I'm sorry, I'm crying. Steve was my favorite YouTuber. Like, I used to, like, I watched his videos a lot, and now he's gone. And Selena's crying. Because she misses him too. Sorry guys, I'm good. It's gonna be hard for all of us, but he died. He passed from the coronavirus. But rest in peace to Steve. He was awesome and very, very, very nice. And now he's flying up in heaven and flying up with his Gibson, the cat that passed away, one of his cats. So yeah, I thought when I heard about it, I thought it was a joke, but then I looked all over Facebook and my heart started to hurt. I have Steve Cash on Facebook. I'm not friends with him, but I have his Tom Kitty Cat videos on there. I follow Steve Cash on Facebook. So yeah, if you guys want to, never mind. I'm not really allowed to talk to strangers, but yeah, and my mom doesn't understand why I was sad. She's like, I don't even know him, but he's my favorite YouTuber. Like, and my YouTuber friend Alex, he was very hurt too. Like, it hurts a lot that Steve is not in the world anymore, but he's in a good place now, at least in heaven, and he's flying with Gibson. So yeah. So guys, I hope you like this video. So, yeah. But comment down below and like this video if you know Steve. I want to see how, give me comments. And yeah, I made this video because I wanted to share, because I am very, very sad about Steve Cash that passed away. He was my favorite YouTuber. My favorite.